Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there are two big news which is coming here from TCS and Infosys. Now TCS has started sending final selected candidate list. So you can also see the Excel sheet, email, and also one of the student who has received today, sir, I got selected in digital, thank you for your help. Then I asked, how did you get the result? So from college they are sending the result. Now we will talk in detail. And second thing is, friends, Infosys, right? So Infosys has finally released the results, and you can see here now Infosys is calling for the Infosys is calling for the interview round, and they have clearly mentioned here, kindly let us know your preferred location by filling the form survey by Sunday 28th of July 2024. That means it is going to be offline. So two news I am going to talk in detail. Okay. Before that, friends, just wanted to tell you, so if you want 100% free certificate, right? And in the latest technology courses like AI, ChatGPT, data analytics, web development, data science, Python, AWS, digital marketing, you can enroll for free. The link is in the video description. Okay. Now, the first thing, friends, let us try to understand. So, what TCS is doing now? So, friend, TCS basically had started sending to the college the list of the student, right? Okay. So, they have not clearly mentioned that this is the final list of the student that we are sending it to you, but from some of the student we came to know that college said that these are the final list of student, right? But friends, still, if we have not received the result, we will wait till 31st of July, right? So we will wait for 31st of July. You need to wait. And today I know there are many people who have received the result from the college. And if you have received the result, friends, then what you have to do, you have to have the patience, right? In another 2 to 3 days the offer letter will be generated, right? Because this has been sent by TCS itself, right, to the colleges. So here if you try to read, so right, so dear sir, greetings from TCS campus team, we are glad to announce the list of selects from the batch of year of past 2024, right? So this is again sent by the TCS itself. So they will generate the offer letter. After that, again, your BGC process, certificate, addition, right, ILP, explore, all those things is going to start, right? Okay. So see, even though there are many who are telling this is the final list of the student, but I will still ask you guys to wait till this month end, right? So still you keep a hope, right? And you can see one of the student whom I talked, so he said, sir, I got selected in digital, thank you all for your help. Offer letter नहीं आया है, but college की तरफ से the list which they have got from college, so there his name is there. I said that means you are selected, which college, and got the list today. So yes, got the list today, and NEIT Greater Noida, right? Okay. So friends, you have to keep the hope till this month end. Okay. And this might not be the final selected list of the candidate. So please wait. Don't lose the hope if your interview was good. Now, friend, the second news which I wanted to tell you here is, so Infosys had conducted, right, the exam for SP role 9.5 lakhs per annum. Okay. Now, so for that exam, the result has been announced. So I talked with many of the students. So if they have done right, so around 2 codes, right? So if they have done around 2 codes or 1.5 code, 1.5 code of difficult and medium level, they have got selected, right? Some people have done 2 codes, one easy and one medium, one difficult. They are also selected. So friends, see, there are a lot of factors are there. Nobody can tell you that if you will solve this many codes, you will be selected, right? The code should be optimized, right? Your solution should be proper. So there are a lot of factors are there, okay? And basically they calculate the marks. So what is the total marks you are getting, right? So friends, on an average, you can decide. So minimum 2 codes if you are doing, right? Then you will be called for interview. Or if you are doing difficult one completely, and medium level at least half, then also you can get called for the interview, right? Okay, fine. So here Infosys has said thank you for your participating in our off campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys test. We are happy to inform that your profile has been selected for the interview round. The interview will be conducted face to face at one of the Infosys development center across the country. Kindly let us know your preferred location, and then that link has been given. Once you click on this link, right, so basically there is a survey page will open. So hey Pratik Kumar, Infosys Limited, the survey is optional. When you submit this form survey, honors will be able to see your name and email. Please enter your email address, right? And then if you come down here, you can see please select your preferred location from the below mentioned Infosys DC. So whatever is the location available, you need to select it, right? So friend, this basically hiring was for SP role, and Infosys also told that, right, they are going to hire around 20,000 freshers this year. So you have to keep a hope and you have to keep doing your preparation, right? So on our YouTube channel we are doing a lot of activities, so please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel. And if you are going to prepare for the interview, so Infosys SP result already we have covered each and everything here. So result date, exam cutoff, interview preparation, right, in hand salary. So a lot of details we have already earlier only we had given to you. The link of this video will be in the description. This is what I wanted to convey with you. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We are really working hard for you. You too work hard for yourself and also appreciate the effort which we are putting. Take care, bye bye.